Very good morning, my dear friends. A hearty welcome to my channel, Mechanical Engineering Lecture Series. Myself, Dr. M.A. Channaya, Vice Principal at Saptagiri College of Engineering, Bangalore. Friends, in today's session, we are going to have the studies made on the projection of a triangular lamina which is placed on VP on one of its sides. So, the problem for today's session reads like this. A triangular lamina of side 30 mm rests on one of its sides on VP. So, friends, I have told you in the previous sessions that whenever any lamina is to rest on VP, either on its corner or on its side on VP, you have to just assume that the lamina is pasted to the wall or the VP such that one of the side AB is perpendicular to this HP. So, obviously this is perpendicular to the XY line. So, what is that you are going to see? Whenever any lamina is placed on VP on its surface or it is placed parallel to VP at any convenient distance from there, the front view is going to be an equilateral triangle ABC measuring 30 mm each side. So, friends, let us commence the problem by drawing the front view of this lamina, which is an equilateral triangle, and such that one of the side of the lamina is to the left side of all of you, left side of the observer, and obtain its front and top view. To start the problem, I just write down the XY line, which indicates the line of intersection of VP and HP, and indicate on this the VP and HP. VP and HP marked like this indicates first angle projection. Friends, you know very well, we are placing the lamina on VP. So, I am going to write down a triangle of side 30 mm. That is, we will mark this as A dash, B dash, C dash with every side measuring 30 mm. So, A dash B dash is equal to B dash C dash is equal to this, each is equal to 30 millimeter, and you know very well this one of the side should always be normal to HP. What is the top view of that? Friends, whenever this lamina is on VP, the top view is going to fall on this XY line. So, I will just write a vertical line from there, vertical line from A and B. So, we are going to get this line on the XY line, and I can just mark it as AB, A comma B, and this is C. Friends, now the lamina is pasted on the wall, and we are getting the top view as a line ABC having length say equal to M, which can be measured. This is M is the length of the top view. This is the front view of the lamina, wherein one of the sides A dash B dash is normal to the HP. Friends, now he says the surface of the lamina is inclined to VP at an angle. Friends, remember, whenever the lamina is rotated on this edge AB like this, it is making an angle now. The side AB is on VP, the surface is making an angle, and this inclination of the surface can be seen only in the top view. That is to say, whatever the front top view you have got here, redraw the top view keeping AB on the VP on the XY line and mark the distance at an angle of 40 degrees. So, I am marking this length ABC, the top view of the lamina, here at an angle of 40 degrees to VP. So, inclination to VP can be seen only in the top view. So, this is of length M, and here this point is going to be C. So, after obtaining the top view, let us see how it looks in the front view. Friends, here the procedure is the same what you have followed for other laminae. Here you can just draw vertical from A, horizontal from A. The point of intersection of these two lines gives you A dash. Similarly, vertical from B, horizontal from B. So this is going to give you the point B. So this is A dash, B dash. C, horizontal line from C, vertical line from C. The point where these two intersect is the point C. So friends, all this line passing through C will divide this AB. So it has to pass exactly through the center. I am going to join A to B, B to C and all these. So this is the front view. Friends, you can ask me what is the similarity and differences between these two front views. So here this is 30. Since this side is on VP, this is also going to be 30 millimeter, whereas these two sides A dash C dash and A dash B dash C dash are reduced in proportion to its inclination with the VP. Friends, now we have the front view, we have the top view when the surface is making an angle of 40 degrees. But in the question he says, draw the projections when the side on which it rests is inclined to HP. Friends, you can see here the lamina is resting on side AB on VP. That AB is now perpendicular to is inclined 30 degrees perpendicular to HP, because any line drawn like this is perpendicular to HP, perpendicular to VP. This is inclined to HP, this is inclined to VP, parallel to HP, parallel to VP. You have to remember this throughout whenever you are making the projections of this lamina. So friends, here the side on which the lamina is resting is now perpendicular to HP. He says it has to make an angle of 30 degrees to HP or 30 degrees with the HP. Hence, to accomplish this, I am going to redraw this figure A dash, B dash, C dash with A dash, B dash making an angle of 30 degrees with the HP. So I will just write a reference line here at an angle of 30 degrees, which is 30 degrees with the HP, and on this I am going to mark this edge A dash, B dash, which is supposed to be on VP. So I will just write down here these 2 points. One point is A dash, the other one is B dash. So you can write on A dash here, B dash here, doesn't make any difference. And how to locate this C? Friends, this is a triangle. We have this side AB that measuring 30 mm. And here take B dash as center, B dash C dash as radius. With this you can write an arc. Similarly, with A dash center and A dash C dash equal to this as radius, draw another arc. Friends, these two are going to intersect and you are going to obtain the point C dash. So when you just compare these two figures, figure number 2 and 3, say or 1 and 2, whatever you call, these two figures are exactly identical. This is the final front view of the lamina. And how to obtain the top view? Follow the simple procedure, go step by step, and here let us start the projection with this A dash. So how to get it? Draw a vertical line from A dash, a horizontal line from here. So you are going to get the point A here. This is point A. I will just mark it here, A. Similarly, vertical line from B, horizontal line from B. The point of intersection of these two is this point B. Finally, CV1, vertical line from C and horizontal line from C, when you draw like this, they intersect at this point, which you call it as C. Friends, you have got all the 3 points of the lamina, that is, there are 3 corners in the top view. Just join them by straight line. So I am going to join A to B, B to C and C to A. Friends, this figure ABC will give you the final top view of the lamina, which is resting on one of the sides on VP. Friends, I am very sure that all of you would have followed the solution for this problem, and I think I am very successful in making this subject very simple to you. And if you are convinced with the presentation made by me, please subscribe without fail and have a wonderful day.